I am Alvin Colt, Senior, East Coast, Arkansas, and I've been having problems with my water system for the last 15 years, 20, somewhere in there, and I've tried to get it done before. But if I had the Redeem group with us for about a week, and I must say they've done an excellent job, I think Kay, Jeff, Becca, Jen, and Omar, they are really, really hard workers. I have been impressed really with the way they work, and they kind of treat us like family. Very respectful and very particular about their work. What caught my attention is they kind of check each other. If it doesn't look right, I'll be saying, wait a minute, you gonna leave? I like that part, that they work together really good. And they want to make sure the work is done. I'm very pleased. Everything looks good. From the very start, from the young man that came and gave us the estimate and got some good prices. So I recommend them to other places having trouble. I believe they'll get done what needs to be done. Thank you all again.